everyone. I just bought this brand new JVC Roku TV. It is a 24-inch, which is the perfect size for a small room like this. It's my bedroom, and it's also just before a long trip that I'll also be vlogging in the video in the upcoming days. But for this time, I'm just going to unbox this for you and show you what it looks like. This is the JVC 24-inch Smart HDTV. It is also a very budget-friendly version. I paid $118 for it at Visions Electronics. It is on sale right now. And yeah, let's get started. So it does come with a remote, and that's all the all the things in it. You can do stream. It's got it's got automatic software updates and pre-installed apps and whatnot. Lots of stuff like Apple TV built in and various nonsense. But let's get started anyway, so let's open it up. I haven't had a JVC product in a long time, so there it is. It is, of course, based off an older design. As you can see, it's pretty thick. We have the remote. We'll set that aside for now. Styrofoam. It does require some basic assembly, I'm assuming, so there's the stands, the TV stands. We'll put that aside for us now as well. Get this out of the way. And this instructions manual, of course, comes with the screws. And I guess you'll need your own screwdriver, which isn't a problem because I do have some. So set that aside as well and pull out the main TV unit. It is relatively lightweight, so that's a good thing. Although it is kind of hard to do this while holding a 2-pound camera, but let's set the box aside and lay it flat. And nothing else in the box, so I'm just going to put all the things back in, and then I'm going to give you a walk around once I got it fully set up. So just to note, I do also have a antenna, a TV antenna that I'll be hooking it up to. It gets about 20 or so channels, maybe a little less. So, and that's what I primarily use. So, and I previously had a 27-inch Toshiba, but unfortunately someone knocked it off the counter, and it hit my bed, hit the bed frame, and it broke the LCD. It was a pretty old unit anyway, so it's not worth fixing. So I went ahead and got a new one. So okay, since I have it pretty fully set up now. Since it is updating, I'll show you the hardware side of this. As you can see, it's got the JVC logo. The power button is actually just right below it. You will feel a tab, but I always just turn it on with a remote just because it's so much easier. You also have 2 speakers at the bottom, and like I said, it's based off an older design, so even though it's brand new, it's pretty thick, you can see. But it doesn't really matter because it's also really lightweight. I can easily pick it up with actually 1 finger. That's how light it is. It only weighs like, I don't know, 4 pounds or so. And I have it connected to the antenna. The antenna is USB powered, and that's all I needed. So yeah, that's my little setup, my little new setup. So I'll show you once it fully runs. As you can see, it's still booting up. Okay, so I got the TV fully set up. As you can see, the video quality is great, even though it might not appear great on camera, but take a look at this. The sound quality is also fairly decent. There is a good amount of bass to it. This is just a test video about my trip that I recorded about a decade ago. So as you can see, it works pretty good. And let's go and pause the video and then return home. The remote also works with the protector on. And this is your home screen. It also has apps like Spotify as well. And let's go to Live TV, which is what I have hooked up to the antenna. As you can see, this is all the channels I got from the antenna, just 4 for now. But it also comes with free live TV channels as well. As you can see, it works pretty well. And the And the volume is pretty loud too. I have it turned all the way down and it's still pretty loud. So far I'm really impressed with this TV, especially at this price point. It is the perfect size for the room. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next round. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.